Are you ready to delve into the intricate world of leadership and management? This video will explore the essential aspects of leadership styles and management functions. Discover how these elements play a pivotal role in organizational success. Leadership styles define how leaders interact with their teams and make decisions. Each style carries unique characteristics, advantages, and limitations. Understanding these styles helps organizations select the most effective approach. From autocratic to transformational, leadership styles vary widely. This chapter sets the foundation for exploring individual styles. 02030405. Autocratic leaders make decisions unilaterally, centralizing control. This style is effective in crisis situations due to quick decision-making. However, it can lead to low employee morale and high turnover. It is commonly seen in military settings or emergencies. Understanding its context is crucial for application. Democratic leaders involve their teams in decision-making processes. This style fosters high employee engagement and satisfaction. It encourages diverse input and shared ownership. However, it can be time-consuming and may lead to indecisiveness. Many tech startups adopt this style for its collaborative nature. Participative leadership closely relates to democratic, but with active employee involvement. It builds trust and mutual respect, improving job satisfaction. However, it is slower in decision-making and less effective in emergencies. Retail chains often use this during restructuring. Understanding its advantages is key. Transactional leaders focus on structured tasks and reward systems. This style is efficient in highly structured environments. However, it limits innovation and long-term growth. It is often used in call centers with strict KPIs. Recognizing its limitations is important for balance. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate to exceed expectations. They focus on vision, innovation, and development. This style creates a strong organizational culture and loyalty. However, it may neglect day-to-day management tasks. Visionary leaders like Elon Musk exemplify this style. Different leadership styles suit various organizational needs. Autocratic and transactional styles fit structured environments. Democratic and transformational styles are for innovation and empowerment. A good leader adapts based on team and goals. Understanding these differences aids in effective leadership. Management functions are essential for organizational success. They include planning, organizing, and controlling resources. These functions ensure smooth operation and goal achievement. Adapting to changes is a vital component. This chapter explores each function in detail. Planning involves setting objectives and deciding on actions. It provides direction and reduces uncertainty. Effective planning allocates resources efficiently. It is crucial for future preparedness. Retail managers often plan for seasonal sales. Organizing arranges resources to implement plans. It clarifies roles and responsibilities. This function facilitates teamwork and coordination. Efficient organization ensures resource use. Project managers often assign tasks to teams. It ensures objectives are met. Hotel managers often adjust training based on performance. Decision-making evaluates alternatives and chooses actions. It impacts all business operations. This function supports goal achievement. Strategic direction is built through decisions. Marketing managers often choose between campaigns. It builds trust and reduces conflicts. Effective communication enhances collaboration. It is vital for teamwork and clarity. HR managers often update staff on policy changes. Delegation assigns tasks to subordinates. It empowers employees and builds confidence. Effective delegation increases productivity. It frees management for strategic focus. Senior managers often delegate to junior staff. Understanding management functions enables effective operations. Planning and organizing lay the foundation. Controlling and decision-making ensure performance. Communication and delegation enhance coordination. These functions are crucial for success. Tesco faces challenges in leadership and management. Improving leadership involves embracing transformational styles. Enhancing communication builds trust and engagement. Developing talent pipelines fosters growth. These improvements align with Tesco's strategic goals. Conclusion: Tesco can greatly benefit from transformational leadership. Training managers in this style inspires innovation and fosters a growth-oriented culture. Transformational leadership also strengthens emotional connections, enhancing both motivation and creativity. Thank you for watching this video. Improving communication at Tesco involves two-way channels. Digital tools can facilitate direct dialogue. This builds transparency and employee engagement. Gathering insights from staff is crucial. Effective communication aligns with organizational values. Tesco's talent development focuses on internal growth. Leadership programs and mentorship are key. These initiatives boost morale and retention. They cultivate leaders aligned with Tesco's values. Developing talent ensures a strong future workforce. Improving coaching and delegation enhances Tesco's management. Training managers in these areas boosts empowerment. It reduces micromanagement and stress. Effective delegation allows strategic focus. Coaching builds a high-performance culture. Effective leaders inspire vision and innovation. Managers ensure operational efficiency and goal achievement. In modern workplaces, these roles often blend. Adapting strategies based on context is key.